Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the aquarium nail. This nail has already been prepped. First of all, you're going to need two clear tips. One to place onto the nail bed with glue, carefully avoiding bubbles between the nail bed and the tip. And the second one of a smaller size to seal with acrylic on top of the glued nail. To get the clear tips as close to the cuticle area, be sure to cut the edges in a square shape and buff or file any imperfections. Be sure to shape the glued tip to the desired shape before sealing the second one on top to avoid heavy filing afterwards. Moving on, with a fine grit drill bit, blend the tip to the real nail. I'm using an art brush to apply a thin line of acrylic to attach the second nail. Once you place it on the nail, let it dry for about 2 seconds and be sure that you have a big enough space or gap to create the tank effect. Very carefully seal the sides and the underneath of the nail with clear acrylic to avoid any leaking. Let the nail dry completely and then you can go ahead and remove the excess tip. With another nail tip, add the glitter and any shapes that you want to add inside of the tank. And I want to advise you not to use anything too heavy so it can move easily around the nail. You can also use precision tweezers to add anything inside of the nail, like the hearts and the stars that I'm adding right now. I will be using a flat end syringe and you can find them on eBay. And I'm adding water inside, and I advise you not to fill it up too much if you want it to move around a lot, because the more you fill it up, the less it's going to move around. I am now using a number 14 brush to seal by the cuticle area. Apply a layer of acrylic on top of the nail to make it a little bit harder for it not to break. Let the nail dry completely before starting your filing process, and be really careful not to open any spaces or gaps for the water to come out when you're filing. Please remember to do it very gently and don't do any heavy filing because it's a very delicate nail to complete. I'm just perfecting the shape with the file right now. Buff your nail for a smooth finish. I'm cleansing with 99% alcohol. Then you can start bedazzling your nail. I'm using nail glue and I'm using a little bit of acrylic powder on top of it to apply the starfish. I do this so it attaches better to the nail and it stays on, and then I seal it with acrylic on the sides with an art brush. I'm using regular nail glue to attach some Swarovski crystals. Let the glue dry and apply a layer of the gel top coat of your choice. Be sure not to add any gel top coat on top of the Swarovski crystals so they don't lose their shine and their shape. And I'm going to cure this nail for 3 minutes just because I have all the crystals and all the stuff on top and I want it to seal well. I am going to add a thin layer of gel top coat underneath of the nail so we can show the clarity of the nail. I'm going to cure for 2 minutes and it should be done.